Are you tired of only seeing white lights everywhere you go? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Zesty solar fairy lights. Let's get into it. The Zesty solar fairy lights comes as a set of 100 LED lights with a 10-metre string. You can get these lights in multiple colours. These include pink, orange, green, blue and purple. Let's open up the box and have a look. Inside the box we've got the fairy lights with the integrated solar panel, the instructions and the stake. To set these lights up, all you have to do is unravel the lights and choose where you want to stake your solar panel. To attach the stake to the panel, simply slide the spike into the mount like so. Then slide the fully assembled stake into the panel and you're good to go. You can find the on-off button on the underside of the panel. Press the button once to turn the lights on. These lights will turn on automatically at dusk when left in the on position. The Zesty lights have 8 different lighting modes. These include combination, in wave, sequential, slow glow, chaser flashing, slow fade, twinkle flashing and static. You can change the lighting mode by pressing the mode button on the back of the solar panel. So let's take a look at all the different colours. First up we have pink. The Zesty fairy light in pink offers a magical romantic glow and are super vibrant. Then we have the orange. The orange lights give a warm inviting glow. Next up we have green. The green set are inspired by nature and give a luscious glow. Next up is blue. The blue lights give a soft aquatic vibe to your garden. And finally we have purple. The purple fairy lights offer a rich amethyst glow to your garden. These lights work well on their own but bring an extra special glow when paired together with the different colours. These lights are waterproof and can be hung or wrapped around virtually anything. The only limit is your imagination. Just make sure the panel gets plenty of sunlight and you're all good to go. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.